implementation of a public-private collaboration can catalyze stronger relationships among heterogeneous actors and in turn contribute to a sustainable outcome. This type of partnerships plays a crucial role by leading to a convergence of interests that creates strong synergies and allows to share the risks related to diverse type of investments. During the 2020 ISPE Europe Annual Conference, and more specifically in Track 1, Factors of the Future, Dr. Sofia Fedoziuk from the Jenner Institute and myself will demonstrate how valuable this type of combined efforts can have when facing a new outbreak to ultimately deliver life-saving therapies in a timely manner. I'm looking forward to meeting you all and share this experience with you. Thank you.